tricky. We got another player here. It's a player 1542795, and the game is called Bowling Bustle City. Who's gonna be in controller? It's me again. Super Pets and PSC will start bowling in 6 seconds. Avoid being hit. I'm now in controller instead of survivor. See? The first player is survivor. I have to bowl when I press this button. When I move it with my joystick. And look, if I tap on that, then the ball will go to someone else. That's a good one. Come on, I want to beat him. That's it. Yes! That does it. Come on. Stop that. I'm winning. What is this? Yes! Come on, I want to beat him. I want to beat him now, please. Come on, I want to beat him. Come on. Come on. Come on. That player. Both players won. Great. I purchased the X4 controller change. I purchased the X4 controller change